Hey pals and palettes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with the Colourpop X Shayla collection, and if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Literally, this package just arrived and I wanted to dive in and create a tutorial for you guys. So I'm starting off with Culture and I wanted to really see how these colors worked and how they layered. So I'm using this in my upper crease and I'm going to go in with Unbothered as a highlight, and wow, is this pigmented. It's such a gorgeous highlight. Going in with this orange color and putting that on top as well. I just wanted to see how these colors really layer, and so far they were amazing. So I'm taking Revenge and adding that on top, and this is such a beautiful brownish red tone. I really wanted to play with this color called Sassy. It has a little bit of a brown and gray blue flex to it, so I applied that to the center of my lid with my fingers. To the outer and inner corners, I'm taking Played Out, which is like a deep purpley brown, and honestly I've always wanted to do this kind of look, but I was never brave enough, and it just turned out so nice. I'm wetting the brush a little bit and applying that middle shade again just to get a little bit more vibrancy, and there was some fallout, just be a little aware of that, and going back in with that purple shade and boosting the outer and inner corner. The top lid is basically done, so I'm going in with some black liner, and then I'm going to smoke out the outer corners with that deep purple shade. I'm going to go in the inner corner with this gorgeous green. I had to try it out and it was so pretty. It just blended like a dream. Then in the outer corners underneath that purple, I am taking that soft brown and just smoking everything out so it looks very cohesive. In the inner corners, I'm going to apply like this gold shade, which really helps tie everything together. I'm going to apply some mascara and put on some false lashes. I'm using the Pink Orchid Studio Trophy Wife lashes. For blush, we're taking Vasanti Life's a Peach. If you've been following me on my Instagram at captureyesstudio, you saw that I did some live tutorials. I'm actually going to be teaching a masterclass at Shoppers Drug Mart, which at this point should be sold out. That's on this Saturday. If you are on my Instagram, make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So exciting, guys! Moving back to this tutorial, I'm taking Vasanti Brown Sugar Lip Liner and applying that to the outer part of my lips and overlining a little bit. I'm taking Colourpop X Shayla Quickie and then Colourpop X Shayla Come On Sis, mixing those all over on the lip, and these lipsticks are very creamy. And then I'm taking the Neat Freak gloss and applying that on top. For highlight, I'm taking Boomin', which is a loose highlight, and wow, is it amazing. You guys, I just put a little bit of this and diffused it over on the high parts of my cheeks. You can also apply this to your like lid area if you wanted to. Alright guys, this wraps up this really quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Just another quick update. I wanted to let you know that every Thursday I'm thinking of doing a live tutorial on my Instagram. Make sure you guys tune into my Instagram every Thursday for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.